Yeah. Oh yeah. True. What a mighty God we serve.
What was our last topic? Yeah, last topic in mathematics. What was the last topic? Yes. I remember. You remember? Okay, so just hold on, because there is no point having classes without having to study. Are you getting that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Femi, you're welcome. Can you hear me? Okay, very good. I sent a message yesterday that you guys should get ready for questions today. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good. And Femi, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. What was the topic for last week in mathematics? Standard form. That's very good. So that was the first topic, standard form. Then what after standard form we did what? Do you remember the second topic? Indices. That is very good. That is very good. Okay. Okay. Just hold on. Isaiah, can you hear me? Isaiah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. I sent a message yesterday that you guys should be ready for questions today. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. And are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Can you name the two topics we did last week in mathematics?
We did indices and
indices and standard form. That's very good. So while I wait for whoever is going to join us, we're going to start right away. Just hold on. So I'm going to be sharing the board with you now. Then I will ask you guys one question based on the last topic. Are you ready now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Femi, are you ready? Okay, so you mute your mic already. Okay, now we're going to revise the topic. So revision, and today is 1st of August 2020. So let me say happy new month to every one of you. Okay, then the first question goes to Bella. And let me say, Bella, if you have a number 2 or like 8, multiplying another 8, but it's going to be to a particular power that I'm going to indicate shortly. So let me see. Bella, are you hearing me?
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
So what if you have 8 raised to power 4 times 8 raised to power 9? What should my answer be?
16 raised to power 20.
16 raised to power 20. That is not correct. Okay, let me throw the question to Pisayo. Pisayo,
Sir,
yes, do you think the answer to this will be?
wait. To be 16.
Yes, Pisayo.
8 raised to power 13.
8 raised to power 13. That's a very good one. So I have 8 raised to power 13. Okay. So Bella, that shows that you didn't go through what we did last week, and that's not fair enough. Okay. Let me give the next question to Femi. Femi, kindly unmute your microphone so that you can hear me. So question 2, I'm gonna give to Femi. Let's assume I have a letter like alphabet A multiplying another alphabet A, which is going to be raised to a power that I'm going to show you very soon. So let's say the power is on this one, I have power 5. Power 5. Let me do that again. So on the first A, I have power 5. Power 5. And on the next A, I didn't have, I didn't write anything. So what do you think the answer should be? A raised to power 5 times A. Femi, unmute your mic, unmute yourself and talk. Yes, A raised to power 5 times A. Femi, I can't hear from you. Unmute your... you are muted already. Try to unmute. No, I can't even hear you. You are not, your microphone is muted. You are muted, yeah. You have to join the audio, Femi. I can't hear you because your microphone is appearing to be muted. Unmute yourself. Yes, I think that's working now. So Femi, what's the answer? A raised to power what?
5.
Oh, that is wrong. That is wrong. Let me ask Sayo again. You know the answer to the question too, Sayo?
A raised to power 6.
A raised to power 6. Can you explain to us, Sayo? Why do you think it's A raised to power 6? Bella, are you listening?
Yes, sir. Because if there's no power in a number,
if there's no power in a number, then the power is 1. So it's going to be A raised to power 5 plus 1 on the other A, which is going to be what? A raised to power 6. Is that clear to everybody now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Pisayo, here comes your own question. You've been doing well now, and I want to believe you're going to do well in this one too. So let's say you have something like 10 raised to power whatever I'm going to give you, then multiply by another 10. So raised to power that I'm going to give you. So let's see, I want to put power on them now. Let's say the first person, the first 10 is raised to power 2. Power 2, yes. While the second 10 is raised to power 8. So, Pisaya, what do you think the answer to this is going to be?
10 raised to power 10.
Very good. 10 raised to power 10. 10 raised to power, no, not 2. 10 raised to power 10. So, okay. That is it. Ngozi, you are welcome. Can you hear me?
Yes.
As you are entering, I have a question for you. Are you ready for me now? Ngozi, are you ready for me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So let's assume I have a number here or an alphabet X, X. Let me use my hand to write this. So this number 4, let's assume this question is for Ngozi. So X raised to power 2 times X raised to power 6. Ngozi, what will be my answer? Ngozi, I'm waiting.
8.
X raised to power 8, that is correct. So that shows that, not 8, but X raised to power 8. So that shows that you actually studied through what we did last week. So, as it is now, Bella, you didn't get your question correctly? You have to study hard, okay? Then, who else didn't get it correctly? Femi, you didn't get it correctly. Then, Isayo got about 3 questions correctly, which is bonus to the other bonus. Then, I have Ngozi, you got your one. So that's good. So we are going to continue today by going through a topic under the previous topic, and that is going to be addition of numbers in standard form. Addition of numbers in standard form. Can you read the topic, everybody?
Addition of numbers in standard form.
Only one person read. Pisayo, use your video. So, addition of numbers in standard form. Yeah. Let's say we have some examples here. Example 1. So the first example, yeah. You all should follow because I'm going to ask you questions, okay? That's it. Okay, very good. Example 1. Let's say I have 2.63 times 10 raised to power 3. Times 10 raised to power 3. 2.63 times 10 raised to power 3 plus 1.5. Are you with me?
Yes.
So how do I add these numbers together? Now, you'll bear with me that this second number is just 1.5. Yes or no?
Yes.
But this first number, is it just 2.63? No, sir. Because it's multiplied by power of 3, by 10 raised to power 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And what is 10 raised to power 3? That is 10,000. I mean, that is 1,000. That is what?
1,000.
Very good. Because 10 raised to power 1 is 10. Say that, everybody.
10
10 raised to power 1 is 10. Say that again.
10 raised to power 1 is 10.
10 raised to power 2 is 100.
10 raised to power 2 is 100.
Yes. Can I hear that again? 10 raised to power 2
10
is
raised to power
100.
2 is 100.
Now, let's say 10 raised to power 3 is 1,000.
10 raised to power 2 is 100.
10 raised to power 3 is 1,000.
10 raised to power 3 is 1,000.
Okay, very good. So if 10 raised to power 3 is 1,000, that means the first one is 2.63 times 1,000. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Plus 1.5. Plus 1.5. So 10 raised to power 3 times 1. So that 10 raised to power 3 times 1,000 now becomes 2630. Where did I get 630? It's because there is power of 3. Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Are you hearing me now?
Yes, sir.
Now, there is power of 3 on the 10. That power of 3 simply means you are going to move your decimal point 3 steps to the right. How many steps to the right?
3 steps to the right.
Now, since you are moving it 3 steps to the right, let's count with me. 1, 2, then 3. So after the third one, there is no number. That is why I introduced 0. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me explain that again. 2.63 times 10 raised to the power 3 gives me 2.63 times 1,000. And in an attempt to multiply by 1,000, I just have to shift my decimal place 3 times because we have power. So that is 1, 2, 3. If it had been times 100, I would only say 263. I will not put the 0. Are you getting that now? I'm waiting to hear you. Are you getting that now?
Yes, yes.
Very good. So, but because it's raised to power 3 or 3 zeros, I have to move the decimal point how many times?
3 times.
Very good. So that's why I have this. So that means the whole of this now. Okay. So what am I to add now? Plus 1.5. Plus what?
1.5.
So in an attempt to add this, I could just easily say 2630.0 then plus 1.5. So I'm going to rule. What is 0 plus 5?
5.
What is 0 plus 1? And what is this? 3, 6, and 2. So my final answer is what? 2,631.5. Now, you all remember how? Can you all remember how we change numbers? Oh, sorry, there is something there. Can you all remember how we change numbers to standard form?
Yes.
How we change numbers to standard form. So let's see 2631.5. You know, that was our first topic last week. Yes or no?
Yes.
So we have to take this number back to standard form because we are dealing with standard form. So as we're dealing with standard form, Joanne, I can see you have joined. Erin, I can see you're just joining too. So, but let me ask this question from Joanne. Did you study your topic, your standard form last week? The one we did last week, did you study?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, can you tell me the answer? How do I change this number to standard form? What will be my answer now?
2 points.
Okay, wait a minute. So I'm going to write what? 2 points ahead.
6315.
6315 ahead.
Times 10.
Times 10 ahead.
43.
Okay, positive 3 times 10 raised to the power 3. That's very good. That's very good. So it actually shows that you studied. So is this clear to everybody how we arrive at this number?
Yes.
Sister, I can't see you. I can't see you. Erin, you are welcome. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. I told you to study what we did last week. So as we move on, I'm going to be asking you questions. Okay? Okay? Is that taking?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes.
So we're going to move to example 2 now. We're going to move to example 2 now. So this is the second example. Let's assume you have something like 10, not even 10. Let's say I have 28 28.6. Let me undo that and write it properly. So 28.6 times 10 raised to power 2 plus 15.68 times 10 raised to power 2. Are you with me, everybody?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Can you read the question and let me hear?
28.6 times 10 raised to power 2 plus 15.68 times 10 raised to power 2.
Very good. 28.6 times 10 raised to power 2 plus 15.68 times 10 raised to power 2. Now, can you tell me the first number is 28.6 times 10 raised to power 2 and the second number is 15.68 times 10 raised to power 2. Is there anything common in that number, in the two numbers?
The 10 and
very
the power.
good. The 10 raised to power 2 is common. So that means since the 10 raised to power 2 is common, that means I can straight away add them because they have the 10 raised to power 2 beside them. What did I say?
You can straighten.
I can straight away. I can add them straight away. Without converting, I can just add them because they have the same power. Because they have what? So let me add. What's the first number? 28.6. And what's the second number?
15.68.
Now, since this one has no number, you introduce 0. Okay?
Yes.
So I want to add. What is 8 plus 0? What is 6 plus 6? 12. I write 2, I keep 1. What is 8 plus 5? 13. Plus 1 is what? 14. So 3 plus 1 is what? 2 plus 1 is 3. Then plus the 1 I'm coming with, that is 4. That is what? 4. So here now, but 4.28. Here now, my final answer for this is going to be 44.28 times 10 raised to power 2. Are you getting that? Let me undo this. I want to rewrite that 8. So 44.28 times 10 raised to power 2. But you bear me witness that this is not correct in standard form. So finally, we are going to write the standard form by saying 4.428 times 10 raised to power 3. Times 10 raised to power what?
3.
Where did the 3 come from? How did I get 3 instead of 0? Yeah, how did I get 3 instead of 2 that was there? You know it was power 2. Now I change it to power 3. What do you think has happened? Remember this is 44, yes or no?
Yes.
And have I written 44 again? What did I write? I have written ordinary 4. So I have moved the point from the front of this 4 to the front of the other 4. Yes or no?
Yes.
Since the number has changed, the power must change too. Are you getting that?
Yes.
Very good. Very good. So this is to change this number to standard form. You just simply remove a point, a place of the point, then you add 1 to the power because you have shifted it to the left. So put that down, everybody. We're going to look at one more example, and that is where we have our own question. Put it down, everybody. So example 3 here. Example 3. If I have 0.000 0.065 plus 7.6 times 10 raised to power times 10 raised to power minus 3. Can you all see the question?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, I can't hear from Erin and Sayo. Can you all see the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So, if I want to add these two numbers, I have two options. The first option is to, is this first number in standard form? This first number, is it in standard form? No. But the second number, is it in standard form?
Yes.
Very good. So I can change the second number away from standard form and now add and take my final answer to standard form. Or I change the first number to standard form, then I can add them so that they can have the same power of -3. So which one do you think I should do? Which one do you want me to do? Should I change the first to standard form and now add, or I change the second from standard form and now add?
Oh yeah.
Choose one.
True.
Yes, the two methods are correct, but I want you to choose one, yes? You choose the first method or second method? The first method is to, Zion is just coming in and that is lateness. Very. So the first method I said, are you with me? Can you hear me, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Aha. I said to attend to this question, I can change this first one to standard form so that it can have the same power with this second one. Then I will go ahead and do what I need to do. Or I can change the second one to normal form, then add. But bear in mind, when I finish adding, I must take it back to standard form. So what do you want us to do?
Yes.
I should change the first one to standard form. Now, you know that the point from the first one is supposed to be going to the front, yes or no?
Yes.
Now, what is the number of
Yes,
power?
sir.
Power. What's the power on the second number?
-3.
That is -3. That means I have to move this one 3 steps. Count with me 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. So the point is now before 6, yes or no?
Yes.
So I now
Yes,
have
Yes, sir.
0.65 because the point must be before 6 times 10 raised to power -3 plus 7.6 times 10 raised to power -3. Is that clear to you now?
Yes, sir.
You can see they both have the same power of -3, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And I can go ahead and say 7.6 plus what?
0.65.
Is it 65 now? Okay, yeah, 0.65.
65, yes.
Very good. So that means I put 0 here. So what is this? 0 plus 5 is what?
5.
6 plus 6 is what? 12.
12.
I put 2. Then 7 plus 1 is what? 8.
8.
So finally, my answer is going to be, Zion, you are late already. So that will not be tolerated next time, okay? Zion, can you hear me? Okay. So my final answer is going to be 8.25. Hold on, let me undo that. So my final answer is going to be 8.25 times 10 raised to power minus 3.
5.3.
This is the answer. Now, do you have any question before we move on?
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, so Zion, you are just coming in. Well, we're going to round up the class now. And the notes, yes? Somebody saying something?
I have a question.
Who is that asking question? Is it Joanne?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes. What's the question?
Number 1.
Yes, what happens to number 1? You were not here when I was explaining, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. It's not wrong to ask, but our time is behind now. But if you follow the method for number 2 and 3, you're going to get it. So what have we done in number 1? Is that 10 raised to power 1 is 10. Say that, everybody.
1 is 10.
And 10 raised to power 2 is 100. Say that.
10 raised to power 2 is 100.
Then 10 raised to power 3 should be what?
1,000.
Because that is 10 times 10 times 10. That is 10 times 10 times 10. So, and I have to change this number to ordinary form. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
I have to change 2.63 to ordinary form. This number, I have to change it to ordinary form so that, hold on. This number, 2.63, I change it to ordinary form, which becomes 2,630. It becomes what?
2,630.
Then I added 1.5. So how did I get 2,630? I simply moved my point 3 times from the front of 2 to the back of this 0. There was no 0 here, so I moved it 1, 2, 3. Because after the third movement, no number, that's why I introduced 0. That's taken now, Joanne.
Yes, sir. So
then I added the 2 numbers together to give me 2,631.5. So, is that taken by everyone?
yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So, on Wednesday, by the grace of God, you're going to have a class work here. And it's going to be based on this kind of question. So, I want to advise you to study vigorously. Study how?
Yes, sir.
Vigorously. Yes, study very well. Zion and Erin, here comes your question before I round up. Can I clean the board now, please? Is anybody still writing? Okay, so let me clean the board and give those that just join us, give them their questions.
Sadoki number 3.
Okay. I'm not going to change the number 3. So, Erin, your question comes here. Part of what we did last week. So, are you ready, Erin? Erin, are you ready? Erin, can you hear me? Okay, what about Zion? Let me give Zion. Zion, you're not using your picture, you're not using your video. Zion, you're not using your video. Okay, so here comes your question, Zion, based on last week's topic. This standard form with its indices. Let me ask you this question. If I have 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 3 times 2, what is the answer, Zion? Zion, I'm waiting. 2 raised to power 3 times 2. What's the answer? Okay, you don't know that. Well, who wants to answer the question? Bella, are you there? Bella, can you hear me? Bella? Okay, Joanne, can you answer this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, what is the answer?
2 raised to power 3 plus 1.
And that is what?
2 raised to power 4.
Very good. 2 raised to power 4. 2 raised to power 4. Okay, Erin, I can see you are back. Here comes the question. Can you hear me now? Erin, can you hear me now? Hello, Erin, Abraham. I'm not talking. Okay. Let me write the question.
Yeah.
But in case you can see it, Erin, can you hear me now?
Oh yeah.
Erin, I'm not hearing you.
True.
Can you hear me now? Oh, sorry. You need to mute. You need to unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. So, Erin, here comes your question. Let's say you have. Let's say, Erin, can you hear me now? I'm not hearing you. You are still muted. So let's say you have X. That's not X. Let's say you have something like X raised to the power 5 times X raised to the power minus 1. So, Erin, what would be my answer? X raised to the power 5 times X raised to the power minus 1, yes?
5.
You said X raised to the power 5? Anyway, X raised to the power what?
4.
4, that is correct. You wanted to say, but that is correct. X raised to the power 4 because you want to add the 5 and the minus 1. So that is 5 minus 1, which gives us 4. So 5 minus 1. So X raised to the power 4. Okay, that will be it for today. Are you all happy about the class today?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. By the grace of God, I'm going to make a video available so that you can watch all of that and make